Welcome guys. On today's video, I'm going to show you how to convert a JPEG to a text. Now, what does that mean? It means to convert a written word like a typed word on a book like this, snap and convert it to a text so that you'll be able to edit it as a document or as a doc. I'm going to do this with two methods. One is a website and the second one is an AI. I'm going to do it showing you guys the step. Let's get into the first method, the first step. So I'm going to first snap this. I want this image to be very clear. So I'm going to take up a camera from this phone and then I want it to get a good lightning effect. Although it's still a bit blur, but I'm still going to snap. All right, so I'm done snapping. Now let's go ahead and convert this to a text or a document. I'm going to open a browser. This actually open on its own. So text, or rather, let's do JPEG to image. That is actually what I've used before. So I have three different images on my phone because I already snapped some image before. So it's going to show recent 1, 2, and then let's do this also. So select. So this is going to upload and then I'm going to hit extract. So it's going to extract it. This might take a while. You notice it says verifying. So this is going to verify if you are a human. Most times it's going to show some information. I don't like logging in to any website, but I usually show the login. So it's extracting. So let's give it some time to extract and then we continue. All right, guys, this has completed and this also completed, but fortunately this was not successful and the second also was not successful. The reason was because I took a picture of the one on this book. That was the reason why they were not successful. But that is the reason why I'm showing you guys two methods. So most of the times, if the handwriting is too tiny or too occupied, these websites will not give you the result. Now, if I am making use of AI, let me go ahead and make use of ChatGPT, and you will see how this goes. This actually is going to go a bit way smoother than you know. And also the previous test was not perfectly okay, but yeah, it was accurate. I think I should have ChatGPT right here. Okay, so I prefer making use of ChatGPT. So now I'm going to upload the image. You can take picture also, but I want to upload the image. I want to start by uploading the image that was gotten correctly before. I actually forgot the exact one. Well, let me say this one. You clearly see that the image is not too clear while looking at it, but then do not worry. So all you need to do is now once you're done, you send. So when you send, it's going to try to process it, or it's going to start processing it. This might not take too long, and this is the result. You can see clearly they are actually exactly what I wrote. I think this is exactly what I wrote. So that is exactly what it got. So this is very accurate, and yes, it got it very well. Sorry about my end of screen. Now let's go ahead and do the second one. So this is the one I took from the textbook. So all right, so it might not give it perfectly exactly how it is in the book, but it's going to give you accurately what you got in the book, and you can see everything. Parasitology, I think yeah, this one exactly. You can see how accurate it got it. Just look at the first paragraph. Look at the first paragraph, how accurate, even though the writing is not that clear. So you can clearly see the difference on how you can actually make. And another interesting thing, it actually removed this letterhead on the jotter. It removed the letterhead and started from 24th and also on the date. You can see 24, the date parasitology, 24 date parasitology, and it removed this. This is actually how accurate it is, and I think this is the best way to convert your text to image. I'm also going to do this on PC just in case you are not making use of mobile. It's the same steps, but if you have any issue and you cannot do it on your mobile, or probably you want to do it on PC and you cannot do it, watch the next video and I'm going to do the same thing. So I hope this video is helpful, guys. If it is, don't forget to smash like. I will see you guys on the next one. Stay safe and peace.